I'm Ron Schefter, R&R Machine and Tool. What we do to bring people into our business is basically work with the high school, and we do co-op programs. I always enjoy bringing co-op students in because even if they come in and say that they don't really appreciate what they've done, at least it's gave them something to benchmark themselves to what they want to do and what they don't want to do. You do have your challenges with the odd one, but there's not really, I've never really ran into the challenges worth of talking about. I just love giving young students an opportunity to see what they really want to do. I don't know if there's really a true benefit to it. I think it's more a fact of satisfaction. We're working with skilled labor, so they're not skilled, they don't have the hands-on experience, so we gotta mentor them a lot. And mentoring them is the fun part of the whole thing. And I think it keeps a young feeling in our shop. They do bring in some really good things because I can go back different years of certain specific people that have brought specific things to us, and we are using some of those things today. I feel that if they come in as an apprenticeship, I want them to be here because it takes about 4 years. It takes 3 years of schooling plus another year until they get their 8,000 hours to write their exams. And I really feel wholeheartedly that at the end of that period, it should be up to them to decide, do they want to stay with me or do they want to move on? I think it should be very mutual at that point, but they have to be dedicated to me for 4 years. And what we do here is when we do apprenticeships, we also give an incentive. We start them out at a certain level, and every year when they finish, they get a raise in pay. Plus, we usually cover up their $400 tuition for that year, so we do some really good incentives. And then hopefully at the end of the 4 years, we sit down and then we negotiate what we want to do. If we don't agree with it, well, so be it. We've had 4 years under our belt, and I feel that it should be very mutual.